how to send a PDF through email on your mobile. This is what you will learn in this tutorial. So you have a document, you have the recipient. Now the task is simple. You need to just send a PDF from your phone quickly and professionally. So there are two ways to do that. One is sharing file directly, and the other one is initiating the email first and then sending the file. Understanding both the methods will give you a complete control over the workflow. We will explore each step by step. So method 1, sharing directly from your file. So in the first method, once the PDF file is opened on your mobile, you need to click the share button, and then you need to select your preferred email application from the list. So once you will do that, your file would be attached automatically to a blank email draft or a new message. You can now compose and send your email, meaning by you can add the address and the subject matter, and then you can just press send. The second method is attaching within your email. In this case, you will go in the reverse order, meaning by that you will first open an email by clicking this plus button in your email app to start composing a new message. So after you have selected the addressee or recipient of and the subject and whatever you want to write on with the email, you just need to click the attach icon, which is like a paper clip towards the top right hand side shown in this circle. And in the next menu, you need to attach the file by clicking this attach file. So you need to locate and select the PDF you wish to send. In this case, as you can see that we have selected the project proposal, and now our file is attached. The final step is now that we need to just confirm the attachment and tap the send button, and our email would be sent. Pro tip: the email will remain in your outbox until the file has completely finished uploading. So you can make sure that the file is shifted to the sent items. So you can choose any of the method from the file or from the email. Whatever you like, you can do that. In any case, thanks for watching.